October 1st, and it is the official first day of Vlogtober. So, good morning, Samaya. Good morning, Samaya. He's in the bedroom. My niece. Anyway, so she's speaking to the dog. So this is what we have planned. Our Vlogtobers. We've never done like a continuous vlog every day for 30 days, so it's going to be different. We're going to do it our way because, you know, we are not structured at all. We kind of fly by the seat of our pants. So that means for us, Vlogtober this year is going to be a mixture of videos. It's going to be a mixture of lives. It may be some shorts, but I'm going to dedicate myself to posting something every single day for the month of October. So this is my introduction video to Vlogtober. This will be my official video for day one, but also I will be posting a video from the mother-daughter Disney series, and I will be finishing up that vlog and starting up the Lure of the Seas series. So we're going to go on the enchantment of the seas, so you guys will get some content from that. I know I still have to do the packing video. I have to figure out which day I'm going to do that. So I'll kind of give you guys a schedule of what we're trying to do. Also, if you're interested in our first BYOC cruise, please let me know, or I can just give you the details. We're going on the Celebrity Summit on February 16th. It is a 4-day sailing. We will be going to Key West and Nassau, Bahamas. So if you guys would like to come and hang out with the Parkers, you can certainly do that. Like I said, we have one group cruise planned that will be on the Carnival celebration on May 20th. 2023. That is also the day before my birthday, so for me that's going to be a birthday cruise. If you guys want to join us, feel free, but we would love if you would join us on the BYOC cruises that we have planned for this year. I will let you know when BYOC number 2 is. So yeah, that is what is going on right now. I am going to go ahead and eat my breakfast. Thank you guys for joining us, or joining me. Brandon, this is Brandon's first day off on his rotation, so he's still resting, and that is fine. Like I always say, I always let him rest whenever he can because he works very hard. So we will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and if there's anything you want us to do in this 30 days, let us know. If there's anything you want to see when we go on our enchantment of the sea cruise, let me know. Message me, put it down in the comments. We'll try our best to get it done, and we will see you guys soon. Have a good day.